See, I got 2 kids. I'm a dudana that I'm fighting for. Before I'm woman nguka phansi ngilingenalo lova. Please God, sengikatselile my peace job. Sebenza kakhulu imali incane, I just need more. I know I said I'll push it till I'm 6 feet. If I don't put some body lutho, it's been 6 weeks. Kwamele upushe nomcabango ntwana deep. Usatha nomthelele isiphuzo wathi drink this. Ngithola ngikhuluma ngedwa ngisho ifoni ring. Nabangane bayithulele ngathi angisa-exist. Ngathi angisa-exist. Mangipushe 9 to 5 ngithola nama-benefits. Baqinisile bathi life inama-faces. At the beginning I just wanted to be famous. Manje ngikhathele ukubhala about the same shit. Scratch that, ngifuna uqala phansi.
When I think about the things that I've been through, they don't know shit, my nigga.